Once, there was a young boy who had difficulty controlling his anger. Whenever he got angry, he would blurt out whatever was on his mind, regardless of how it may have hurt those around him. His father gave him a hammer and some nails, telling him that whenever he got angry, he should hammer a nail into the backyard fence. Initially, he used up half of the nails in the first few days, but eventually, he was able to reduce his usage until his temper was under control. His father then asked him to remove one nail for each day he didn't lose his temper. When he had removed the last nail, his father said to him, "You've done well, but can you see the holes in the wall? The fence will never be the same." Just like that, when you say mean things in anger, you'll leave a scar. The moral of the controller anger story is, anger is one of the most harmful weapons, similar to a knife. The wounds will mend after using it, but the scars will endure.